Welcome to Smart Optometry. In this video, we will learn about causes of chalazion and how they lead to chalazion formation. What are the causes of chalazion formation? 1. Chronic conjunctivitis. Persistent inflammation in the eye and eyelids from chronic infections like trachoma can cause scarring or blockage of the meibomian ducts, leading to chalazion. 2. Blepharitis. Chronic eyelid inflammation in blepharitis can obstruct the meibomian glands, resulting in gland secretion buildup and chalazion formation. 3. Children and young adults. Higher oil gland activity in younger individuals can lead to more frequent blockages in the meibomian glands, increasing the risk of chalazion. 4. Uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Diabetes can impair immune responses and increase glandular secretion thickness, making it easier for meibomian glands to become blocked. 5. Errors of refraction. Frequent eye rubbing to improve vision in uncorrected refractive errors can lead to chronic eyelid irritation and inflammation, causing meibomian duct obstruction and subsequent chalazion formation. Subscribe to Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.